What's up, y'all? I'm Sha-Deana Z. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and turn on your post notification bell so you never miss another video. As you read by that title, today I will be bringing you guys along with me to get my instant locks combed out. Yes, I'm going back to the fro. I missed my curls. Psych! I'm just getting my locks combed out to get them smaller. I'll explain more about that in my next video. In these clips, I am showing you what my locks look like before they get combed out. The white residue in my hair is just conditioner that I let sit in my hair overnight. This was just to soften my hair up a little bit more to make it a bit easier to comb them out, because the conditioner softens your hair strands, making it slightly easier to comb out. And this part only hurt me a little bit, but it was really like towards the front. That part hurt the most because it's most sensitive for me. I had thick locks too. This time they're gonna be smaller. And please don't laugh at me. I know I look rough by the head, but we working on it. My loctician's name is Allie for short. She is super friendly, very professional, and her work is so neat it speaks for itself. I definitely recommend her if you are in the Macon, Georgia area. She also has a website that I'll link down below, which you can shop all things locks. She has lock jewelry, growth oil, lock foam, bonnets, merch, etc. If you do decide to shop, make sure you use my code Sha-Deana and get 10% off all merch. Link is in the description. And yeah, these are just some of the things me and my loctician does. So I was just sitting there playing with a little doll head or whatever, doing its hair while she was doing my hair. And we was watching Zeus, Jocelyn's Cabaret to be exact. Is it cabaret or cabaret? Whatever. Y'all, it's the length for me. Link check yet again. It's all there. I was like, oh my God. Pull it one more time. As you can see, I was shocked because my hair grew a lot. I kept bugging her to keep pulling it so I can do a length check. I was like, that's all me for real? Nah, stop the cap. Just imagine if I got a silk press, but that'll never happen. Nah, because we don't fool with heat over here. No flat irons, no blow dryers, no crimps, none of that. One curlers, none of that. That's what wigs are for. Moving on, let's get into the products that were used to comb out my locks. She used conditioner and water mixed together in a spray bottle with the help of a rat tail comb to comb my locks out. It definitely sounds easier than it actually was. So yeah, basically I just kept doing a length check throughout the video because I was just like in shock of how much my hair has grown just in 7 months of me having locks. So just by me not picking in my hair or styling my hair every day, this is how much your locks, like your hair, can grow. Y'all, and my edges got a lot thicker. See, I already had edges and they was already thick because, you know, but they got a lot thicker. I'm gonna have to get some good edge control to tame them bad boys. If y'all already don't know, I'm very tender-headed, so I tried making this process as easy as I can for both my loctician and me. What I did was apply conditioner to my hair 3 to 4 days prior to getting my locks combed out, in hopes that it would make the process less painful on me, because it's a lot. Like, it's just minimal pulling and tugging, which didn't help at all. And it didn't help that my hair was already like a kinkier nappy texture compared to other people, but I still tamed it well before I had locks. Anyways, this process took a total of 10 hours to complete. We did take a few lunch breaks and bathroom breaks here and there, but I started around 10:20 a.m. and got done about 8:20 p.m. So you do the math. Getting your locks combed out is already a long process in itself. So I wasn't even fully locked yet because I had only had these locks for about 7 months. And my hair started to bud slightly. So I guess I was almost locked, which made it that much more difficult to comb them out. One thing I can say about having locks is that your hair definitely grows so much faster, because my hair grew so much in just 7 months. I can't imagine what my locks will look like in just 2 years. Y'all, I really appreciate my loctician because she really had to sit here and comb all 58 of my locks out. Yeah, 58. Wasn't nearly enough as what I wanted, but this is why I'm getting my locks combed out, so that I can get way more, which you'll see in the next video, so stay tuned. And yes, even though I had my locks in for 7 months, anybody can get their locks combed out, no matter if you've been locked for 5 years, 10 years, it does not matter. The longer you've been locked, yes, it takes longer to comb out the locks because it's really tangled and locked, but you can still get your locks combed out, because a lot of people think that you have to cut your hair, or once you get locks you can't ever get your natural hair back, but that is false. You can always get your natural hair back. All it takes is for you to get some conditioner and water and comb out your hair. Depending on how long your hair is or how long it's been locked, it can be a very lengthy process. It could take a day, it could take 2 days, some people took 3 days, it depends. Also, when it comes to shed hair, do not be afraid to lose some shed hair when your locks are combed out. A lot of people think that when you comb out your locks, you lose your length, but that is completely false. I had all my length plus some, which is why I was so hyped and extra in the video. Shed hair that you get from combing out your locks is the natural shedding you will have gotten over the few months or years that you've had locks. No other hair loss should occur. So, having locks, your natural shed hair tangles within the locks. This is why you don't go through the shedding process. When locks are combed out, this is the shed hair that you're seeing. Instead, with locks, you're able to keep all your shed hairs. So if you guys are thinking about getting your locks combed out, head over to my loctician and tell her I sent you. Also, don't be scared and don't be believing everything you hear on the internet or see on TV. So if you want to get your locks combed out, but if you're thinking about getting locks, head on over to my loctician and tell her I sent you as well. And don't be afraid of getting locks, because it's the best decision you could ever make. And I'll explain why in future videos. So if you want to join me on this lock journey, make sure you subscribe. Sorry y'all, I've been smacking on this gum all video. You know my jaws hurt. But y'all see the length though. So yes, I had 58 locks and I got them all combed out. And stay tuned for my next video so y'all can definitely see how many locks I get this time. So that is all for this video. As always, if you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. Also, make sure you follow me on all of my social medias. They are also linked down in the description box below. That being said, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.